Identifying the problem, the students of Greenfield Elementary School were puzzled. Their beloved school garden, once thriving and vibrant, now struggled to survive. Plants wilted, and crops failed. Ms. Patel, the science teacher, decided to investigate. She formed a team with students, Ava, Max, and Emma. Critical thinking, analyzing information, identifying patterns. We need to assess the situation, Ms. Patel said. Gather data on soil quality, water supply, and sunlight. Brainstorming solutions, the team presented their findings. Our soil lacks essential nutrients, Emma said. We need innovative solutions, Max suggested. Maybe a composting program? Ava added, or we could implement feasible water-saving measures. Evaluating solutions, the team evaluated each idea, considering factors like cost, effectiveness, and environmental impact. We must consider the criterion of sustainability, Ms. Patel said. Max noted, there's a trade-off between cost and efficiency. Implementing the solutions, the team selected the composting program and water-saving measures. Let's execute the plan, Ms. Patel said. Ava, Max, and Emma worked together, collaborating with the school administration. Monitoring progress, the team tracked the garden's progress. We must analyze the data, Ms. Patel said. Emma noted, we can optimize the composting system. How to solve and implement a solution, identify the problem. Gather data and information. Brainstorm innovative solutions. Evaluate solutions based on criteria. Select and implement the best solution. Monitor progress and optimize. Difficult words, assess, verb evaluate or judge something. Example, Ms. Patel assessed the garden's condition. Data, noun facts and figures used for analysis. Example, the team gathered data on soil quality. Innovative, adjective introducing new or original ideas. Example, Max suggested an innovative composting system. Feasible, adjective practical and achievable. Example, Ava deemed importing water unfeasible due to costs. Criterion, noun standard or benchmark. Example, cost effectiveness was their primary criterion. Trade-off, noun compromise between conflicting options. Example, they made a trade-off between cost and efficiency. Execute, verb carry out or put into action. Example, the team executed the composting plan. Collaborate, verb work together. Example, Ava and Max collaborated with the school administration. Analyze, verb examine data. Example, Ava analyzed soil quality statistics. Optimize, verb improve or refine. Example, Max optimized the watering schedule.